What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to import a logo from the vault in Diamond Dynasty MLB The Show 26. First go under Diamond Dynasty, then we need to switch over to build. For that press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. Once you're on build, then we need to select customize, select it. Then if you want to edit your logo, then go under logo editor, but I want to download logo first. For that go to logo vault. Now all of the logos will be shown to you. You can just select any of the logo and download it in your game. If you want to switch the type, then for that press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. Then the type will be switched to roster. We also have player and then sliders are here as well. Now if you don't like any of the logo from this page, then you can manually search for the logo you want. For that press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox. Then it will open the search options. From here you can sort the logos by date, name or rating, but I want to search for a specific logo. For that press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox. From these options select search and then find. After that we need to type the logo name. So I want baseball logo, that's why I'll just type here baseball, hit enter and search for the name, and then all of the baseball logos will be shown to me. So I didn't like the first page logos, that's why I'll switch to another page. For that press R2 on PlayStation or RT on Xbox, and then second page will be shown to me. You can just go through all of these pages and find the logo you like. So this logo is looking good, I want to download it. For that select it, then select download, and then the logo will be downloaded. Choose your file name and then hit done and save the logo in your game. You can just go through the same process for downloading any other logos. Just select the logo, download it, select name and then save the logo in your game. Now to apply the logo on our jersey and our team, we need to go to logo editor. After that select edit logo by pressing cross on PlayStation or A on Xbox. Then we need to press options button on PlayStation or main menu button on Xbox to select load and then choose the logo you want to add. So I want to add this Batman logo. For that I'll select it and then all of the layers will be shown to you. Now to customize the position and size, firstly select all of the layers. For that press down on your D-pad. Once all of the layers are selected, use your left stick to change the position. So I want to place it here, and to adjust the size use right stick. So I want the logo to be like this, and then to save this logo we need to go back from here, then choose save changes. Now the logo has been applied for my team main logo. Now it's time for adding this logo on our jersey. For that press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. Then it will show you your home jersey logo. To change it press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. After that press options button on PlayStation or main menu button on your Xbox. Then select load, choose the logo you want to add on your jersey. So I'll just select this Batman logo. After that select all of the layers by pressing down on your D-pad. Then use left stick to adjust the position and right stick for adjusting size. Let's keep it this way and then go back from here and select save changes, and the logo will be added for home jersey, and this logo is for cap. You can just go through the same process for changing the cap logo. Then we have helmet logo, jacket logo. Just go through all of these logos and repeat the same process for applying the logos. So I have added the team logo and home jersey logo. Let's go back from here, and then as you can see the logo has been applied on my jersey and my team. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.